Why your environment affects your mindset. The people and energy around you shape your confidence, mindset, and overall success. If you are surrounded by negativity, doubt, and criticism, it's hard to stay positive. But if you surround yourself with uplifting, ambitious, and supportive individuals, you naturally become more confident and motivated. Your environment either fuels your growth or limits it. How to create a positive environment. 1. Identify energy drainers. Some people constantly complain, doubt, or discourage others. These individuals drain your energy and make it harder to stay positive. Recognize who brings negativity into your life and set boundaries. 2. Spend time with uplifting people. Surround yourself with those who encourage, challenge, and inspire you. Their energy will naturally elevate your mindset. 3. Limit negative content. Be mindful of what you consume: news, social media, and conversations. Too much negativity can influence your thoughts and emotions. Choose positive, motivational content instead. 4. Practice gratitude daily. Focusing on what's going well in your life shifts your perspective. Start and end each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. 5. Find a mentor or role model. Being around successful, positive-minded people helps you learn, grow, and stay motivated. Seek out mentors or follow inspirational figures who push you to think bigger. Real-life example: Will Smith's circle of influence. Will Smith once said, "Look at your 5 closest friends. They are a reflection of you." If you want to be successful, surround yourself with successful people. He credits his success to being around driven, positive, and motivated individuals who push him to be his best. Key takeaway: your environment is everything. Surround yourself with positivity, and success will naturally follow. Please like, comment, and subscribe.